Hi everyone, I will show you how to add cover photos on Facebook. First of all, open your Facebook app, then tap the three lines on the top right and go to your profile. Now you need to tap your cover photo and tap to upload photo. Now you need to select any cover photo and you can adjust your picture. When you are done, then tap the save button on the top right and your cover photo will be applied. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.